Part A. The letter A stands for the A sound you hear at the beginning of apple. Two other words that have the A sound are ant and map. This is an uppercase A. This is a lowercase a. This is how to write the uppercase letter A. Slant down. Go back to the top. Slant down. Straight across the dotted line. This is how to write the lowercase letter A. Circle back, then around, straight down. It's your turn.